I am on Royal Caribbean, Wonder of the Seas, deck 14, room 290. So the full room number is 14290. This is a category 4D, regular balcony. Sleeps 2 people. So we'll start with the bathroom first, which is over here in the corner. Hair and body wash, all in one. There is a dresser and 2 storage closets. We'll start with this one. There is a mirror over here, full length. Down here we have, some drawers, mini fridge. I like that there's lots of drawers. The bed can be split into 2. I am by myself, so it is just one bed. Let's go check out the balcony, which is pretty spacious. You do have a lock up here. It is covered, actually, quite a bit. It's a good size. Definitely wider than some of the other ones I've had. It even has these little seats that, or these footstools that you can pull out, which is a nice additional comfort. So that is pretty much it. Royal Caribbean, Wonder of the Seas, balcony, room 14290.